Just a note to say, this gear sits here like that. That's the top of the quill assembly. And it can look as though it's just one gear stuck in there, and you're thinking, how the hell do I get that out? It's actually two gears. It's one gear within each other. And so that's the gear at the top there. I'm holding it with the left hand. That's the same gear. So it's actually two gears. And when it's in there, it can actually look like you're thinking, how on earth to get those out? But it's purely just friction, just keeping it together. So you just got to prise them apart, you know. Obviously you need a screwdriver. It's a bit difficult to do with one hand. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I managed to do it with just one hand. But they can just look as though it's one. So once you know that it isn't, you can start to gently prise them apart. You just take the shaft out. You know, sometimes it comes out like that. Sometimes it comes out. The shaft just comes out the middle, you know. So we're just slowly rebuilding this top part of the quill. That's going to go back into there. This is the section which engages the feed for the quill.